Good morning. We are here at the break of dawn over the Vietnam Memorial Wall in Rock Falls. It's a serene setting, a place where nature and remembrance unite in a silent yet poignant dialogue. Even at this early hour, a handful of visitors have come. Some stand in quiet contemplation, others sit on the benches provided. There's a palpable air of reverence. This hallowed wall is more than just a monument. It's a canvas where names are not merely etched in stone but imprinted on hearts. Each name represents a story, a sacrifice, a life that was either lost or forever changed by the conflict. From this vantage point, the Vietnam Memorial Wall in Rock Falls appears as a tranquil island amid a sea of green, its stillness belying the tumultuous emotions it evokes. For some, like the gentleman we see here, touching the wall is akin to reaching across years and miles, a tactile bridge to friends or loved ones long gone but never forgotten. As the day welcomes a new dawn, the wall too seems to come alive, shimmering in the morning light. It stands as a silent guardian of memories, a testament to resilience, and a sanctuary for those who seek a moment's peace in a chaotic world. As we leave you with this serene setting, remember that this wall serves as a lasting reminder of lives cut short, of sacrifices made, and of a chapter in history that should never be forgotten.